होकर माँ भारती की रक्षा में डटे हर मुश्किल को सहर्ष सहते हैं। सिर्फ शब्दों में नहीं, उनके कर्मों में झलकती है देशभक्ति, उनके कण कण में रमती है। दुश्मन कांपे उनकी गर्जना से, सूर्य में झुके उनकी साधना से। वो वीर हैं, वो प्रहरी हैं, ये जवान हमारे अधीर हैं। चलो नमन करें उनके जज्बे को, सलाम करें उनके त्याग और समर्पण को।
The chief guest with a dignified presence inspects each platoon meticulously. The initial duo belongs to CISF, the Central Industrial Security Force. Following them is the NCC Army Wing from Kokilaben Dhirubhai Ambani Reliance Foundation School, succeeded by the Reliance Security Backpipers. Subsequent to them, we have two platoons representing the NCC Navy Wing, one comprising boys and the other consisting of girls. And finally, the noteworthy ensemble of the Reliance Security team concludes the impressive array. Some things can't just be expressed in words. My eyes gleam with pride, like soaring green birds. These are the tears of joy for the tricolor high. Thanks to the leaders who face the stormy sky. There may be many things we can't live without, but the republic we cherish, there is no doubt. Love echoes loudly when words compress. Love for the nation, a shared happiness. Blessed with freedom, let's truly care for our people, our nation, are born today. As we celebrate this Republic Day, wishing our incredible India a joyous display.
Soon, we are on the verge of witnessing the march past of the assembled troops. In the parade ground, discipline holds sway, platoons in formation, a ballet of accuracy they display. The parade commander at this juncture has sought permission from the chief guest for the march past. As this unfolds, one can observe the platoon commanders taking their positions right in front of their respective platoons.
प्रोग्राम भी छोटा नहीं है रे।
CISF, the Central Industrial Security Force, commissioned in 1969, was established to provide integrated security cover to large undertakings in both public and private sectors. Evolving over the years, it has become a premier multi-skilled security agency, mandated to safeguard major critical infrastructure installations across the country. In 2009, a dedicated squad of nearly 200 personnel was commissioned to secure the interests of Reliance Industries in Jamnagar.
हैं?
Their multifaceted
थोड़ा zoom से
responsibilities
बढ़ा।
make the CISF a key component in ensuring the safety and security of diverse sectors across the country. Beyond its primary duties, the CISF safeguards critical infrastructure such as nuclear installations, power plants, and sensitive industries. It extends its security coverage to vital transportation systems and actively contributes to disaster response, engaging in relief and rescue operations during natural calamities. Now, in front of the stage, we have the first CISF platoon, donned in immaculate regimental uniform, led by SI Alert, presenting a smart salute to our esteemed chief guest.
Following closely behind is the second platoon, led by Sub-Inspector Praveen, with CISF jawans impeccably attired in their ceremonial uniforms.
सीआईएसएफ जवानों की टुकड़ी के पीछे कदम बढ़ाते नजर आ रहे हैं एनसीसी आर्मी प्लेटून, जिसका नेतृत्व कैडेट जेवी वारिया कर रहे हैं। एनसीसी आर्मी प्लेटून के साथ मैदान में सफेद गणवेश में कदम से कदम मिलाते आगे बढ़ रहे हैं एनसीसी नेवल प्लेटून, जिसमें छात्राओं के दल का नेतृत्व रिया सिसोदिया के जिम्मे है और छात्रों के दल का नेतृत्व कैडेट हर्षवर्धन कर रहे हैं।
The young participants are followed by the Reliance security team, an inseparable part of the Reliance family. Mr. Yugeshwar Singh Rathod confidently delivering a smart salute to the chief guest. These distinguished
Oi,
men
Mahendra.
adorned in their
Mahendra,
distinctive
Mahendra.
combat uniforms. The youngsters stride shoulder to shoulder with the uniformed veterans, creating a harmonious blend of experience mingling with enthusiasm. The scene portrays a powerful symbol of unity and collective effort.
हाँ तू अभी मिला।
And smartness, epitomizing discipline and dedication.
ओके ड्रोन वालों को बोलना ऊपर ही रखना, नीचे मत लाना ऊपर।
ओके बोल। थोड़ा ऊपर ही रखना। आ गया था। बच्चों 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 इधर नहीं आना, इधर नहीं आना, इधर देखो बंद है।
Now I
इधर नहीं आना।
request our honorable chief guest, Mr. Divan Sure, to address
नहीं
the
नहीं इधर
distinguished
उधर चलो,
gathering.
नीचे चलो।
नहीं
बंद करके
पड़ जाला मत।
बंद करके आओ ना वो। अरे शेरा तेरे को कहाँ बैठाया था रे? डाउन।
My dear colleagues, CISF officers, jawans, our distinguished professional security team, KDAV school principal, teachers, dear students, and esteemed guests. I'm delighted to stand before you on this 76th Republic Day, extending warm wishes to each and every one of you. Today, as we commemorate the day, I am filled with immense pride and joy at the strides we have made as a nation. Republic Day
The assembled troops execute a grand retreat. The exemplary discipline displayed by all the platoons during the march past is commendable and praiseworthy. It's not just a display of physical prowess, but a substantiation to the collective discipline of individuals, forming a cohesive force that moves with purpose and pride. In a parade, discipline takes center stage, transforming a routine march into a spectacle of organized excellence. The rhythmic beats and lively tunes of the marching music provide a splendid accompaniment to the entire procession. In the anthem's melody, we find a consonance of values that bind. Freedom's journey, a sacred story. In every heart, it echoes with glory. Tricolor waves a vibrant hue, symbolizing strength and courage too. From north to south, east to west, a mosaic of cultures truly blessed.
सेना में बैंड ग्रुप का महत्वपूर्ण योगदान होता
बैंड का
है।
हुआ
यह राष्ट्रीय एकता और गौरव का प्रतीक होता है। यह बैंड न केवल सैनिकों का उत्साह बढ़ाता है, बल्कि राष्ट्रीय उत्सवों जैसे स्वतंत्र दिवस, गणतंत्र दिवस और अन्य औपचारिक कार्यक्रमों में महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाता है। बैंड की धुनें सैनिकों के मनोबल को ऊंचा करती है।
Through the display, the enchanting melodies of 100 pipers resonate skillfully presently. Their display, intricately woven with perfection and flair, adds a vibrant zest to the event, showcasing not just musical prowess, but a visual spectacle that captivates and elevates the entire presentation. The performance becomes the perfect blend of auditory and visual excellence, truly deserving of appreciation.
इसके बाद आएगा अपना
देशभक्ति की धुन में सजा यह बैंड दस्ता उत्साह और उमंग से भरा है। RIL के इस सुंदर से बैंड दस्ते का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं सूबेदार रामलाल जी। संगीत की धुन के साथ कदम ताल करते हुए मनमोहक प्रस्तुति दे रहे हैं।
Following that, we experience the patriotic strains of India Gate, performed with a lively quick march, infusing the atmosphere with a spirited cadence that resonates the pride and heritage of the nation.
सेना में बैंड ग्रुप द्वारा इंडिया गेट गीत बजाना एक सम्मान और श्रद्धा का प्रतीक है। यह गीत भारतीय सेना के साहस, सम्मानित करने के लिए यह गीत बजाया जाता है। जब बैंड ग्रुप यह गीत बजाता है तो यह उन शहीद सैनिकों के प्रति सम्मान और कृतज्ञता को व्यक्त करता है जिन्होंने देश की रक्षा में अपने प्राणों की आहुति दे दी। यह राष्ट्र के प्रति सेना की निष्ठा और प्रेम को दर्शाता है।
हमारे देश की विविधता, एकता और स्वतंत्रता का प्रतीक बन गया है। यह गीत हर भारतीय के दिल में देश के प्रति सम्मान और गौरव का आह्वान करता है।
The band's music on Republic Day is a stirring symphony that is echoing the very essence of our nation. Their melodic notes like threads wove through the air.